I let someone else order my food for me. I have no idea what is in this bag. We are about to find out. Love chilies, always a good choice. We have fries, loaded fries with jalapenos, very important. Jalapenos make everything better. This is, ooh, okay, so this is, I think these are their Southwestern egg rolls. Very good. Mini burgers, boneless buffalo wings. Oh my gosh, I'm all of a sudden absolutely starving. And 2 sauces. Okay, this looks like a nacho cheese sauce. Oh wait, is it cold though? This is cold. It's not a nacho cheese sauce. This is, I think it's honey mustard. Honey mustard. Okay, and this one, I think that's our avocado. Okay. I don't even know where to start. It all looks so good. Okay. I'm sorry, this does not look like honey mustard. Tell me that does not look like honey mustard. That looks like nacho cheese sauce. I'm not making this up. I promise. Okay. I don't even know what to eat first. Okay, we're gonna try, let's do the fries first. I feel like fries like go bad first when they get cold. Or do this one. All right, so avocado ranch. I feel like we need a lot. The more sauce, the better, am I right? Okay. Oh my gosh, I could drink this avocado ranch. You can't go wrong with fries, right? I feel like I need to get like under here. How do I get under here? I feel like all the good stuff is down at the bottom. I am making a mess. All right, this looks like a good bite. Okay. Oh no, I think I lost a fry. Okay, that's good. We need jalapeno. That was a good bite. Okay. Let's do one of these. Also, what is the honey mustard supposed to go with? I don't see anything here that goes with honey mustard. Maybe the burger? We might try the honey mustard with the burger. We'll see. Okay. Let's try the buffalo chicken. I love boneless buffalo wings. One of my favorites. Okay, so I was just told that this is their secret sauce. I still don't know what it is though. Obviously, because it's their secret sauce. I swear there's honey mustard in it though. It tastes sweet. I wonder if it would go with these. Should we try it? Okay, let's try it. We'll try both. All over my face. Okay, so that goes good on this. I don't think it's supposed to go on this, but it works. But we'll try this. I think this is what's supposed to go together. I'm gonna clean my mouth. This is actually a tough one. These both taste really good with this. Let's try this one more time. I got a lot of sauce. Oh, I think I like this one better. There's something about it. That's really good. I wouldn't have put these two together. I don't even know if they like typically come together. Highly recommend. Okay. Ooh, these look good. These are really hit or miss, but this one looks good. It's like the bread is really soft and the burger looks good. Oh, I think there's bacon on it. That's why it looks so good. You can't go wrong with bacon. Okay, yeah, let's do this one. I've decided that this goes good on anything. I was right, it goes. We'll try this one. But I'm thinking it's gonna be this one. Guys, what? I don't think I've ever had this sauce. I've been eating chili since I was like 5. When did they make this secret sauce? When did this become a thing? I didn't know it was a thing. You need this sauce. Oh, I have an idea. Okay. Since I can't decide, I mean, I kind of made a decision. We're just gonna mix them. This is wrong. If this is wrong, I don't want to be right. Okay. I just created something. This is a thing. We're gonna make this a thing. Wait, let's try. Let's put this in. I think I used pretty much all of it though. Hold on. Let's see what I can get. The moral of the story is combine your sauces and dip everything in them. Yep, do that. I don't have a favorite. Everything was amazing. You gotta love chilies. And the sauces definitely need to be combined.